Hello guys, good morning. It's 7:40 and I'm heading for breakfast. I'm waiting for the lift to come. Given that yesterday my roommate did not had the food and I had to keep it. I seriously don't want to waste this food, so I'll have it now with whatever will be there. And probably in the evening I'll search for some kettles to uh, give all the rotis. That's the plan. Let's see. It's 8:20 and I have started for my office. Look at the condition of roads here. Delayed by 9 minutes. Finally I have reached office. यार आज आंटी बहुत डिले कर दी खाने के लिए, नाश्ते के लिए. That's the reason I am very late. I was ready by 7:10. Nevertheless, I have reached office now. Guys, it's almost 4 o'clock and I am starting from office now. यार मैं तो आज बहुत लेट हो गया. पक्का आज लिफ्ट भी लेट से आएगा. Trust me guys, this is the first time it happened. While leaving, I'm the only one who is there in the lift. क्योंकि निकलते टाइम बहुत लेट होता है भाई. Now it's 4:11. I am heading towards my PG. अभी अगर आप देखोगे अदर साइड इट इज़ वेरी सनी. मैं इस साइड से आज आया था, इसी साइड से जा रहा हूँ. I have got few chocolates which I don't know how should I finish it up given that I really don't want to have chocolates. और chocolates अच्छे भी नहीं लगे यार. It's a little strange, but हाँ यही है. And one more thing, a happy woman is a myth. Trust me. आप कुछ भी कर लो, कितना भी कर लो, आप अपने वाइफ को कभी सेटिस्फाई नहीं कर पाओगे विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू देयर एक्सपेक्टेशंस. नेवरदलेस अपना काम है, काम करना, और कुछ कर नहीं सकते हैं. इट्स रियली अनफॉर्चुनेट बट या दैट्स व्हाट इट इज़. चलो आज का दिन बहुत प्रोडक्टिव था विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू वर्क एंड इन फैक्ट वी डिस्कस्ड some of the important improvements which can be done in near future. और सबसे बड़ी बात, I haven't spoken of anything about my work from home for next 1 week. After a week, not now. तो उस टाइम पे मैं जब जा रहा हूँ वो बिना बोल के ही जाऊँगा. That is the plan. Such that कुछ बहाना बना लूँगा. I am not sure what बहाना, but we'll see क्या बहाना बनाना है. And post that particular week I'll see if I can accommodate few more days, additional days, but let's see how it goes. और फिर दिसंबर का I'm not sure. I have applied for work from home. Unfortunately it was rejected given that one of the most important persons for our organization is coming all the way from Germany. So I have to be there at any cost. तो इस बार का फास्टिंग I don't know how should I take care of. And more importantly, before even thinking with respect to fasting, मुझे अभी सोचना होगा कि कैसे मैं घर पे जाके सब कुछ सेट करूँ with respect to नवरात्रि, given that I won't be there for most of the time. तो इस बार जब जाऊँगा सारे चीज़ें प्रिपेयर कर लूँगा, सब कुछ बनाना, स्टैंड वैंड सब कुछ कर लूँगा, such that my wife won't have any hassle while setting it up. और क्या, फ्रूट्स वगैरह के लिए ना मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा है मुझे क्या करना होगा उसके लिए, क्योंकि I won't be there. I don't know how she will manage. द फूड। लेट्स सी उसके लिए मैं क्या कर पाता हूँ, बट फॉर नाउ आई एम कम्प्लीटली ब्लैंक। देखते हैं क्या होता है। चलो अब मिलते हैं सीधा पीजी पहुँचने के बाद। पीजी आई विल हैव सम दाल, अ बिट ऑफ करी, दैट्स इट। यार आज भूख भी लगी है, गिवन दैट माई what we say coffee machine was not fine, because of which it was not dispensing milk as well. Usually I have 2 cups of milk in the entire day. आज कुछ भी नहीं था, तो आज लिटरली एक इंटरमीडिएटरी फास्टिंग भी हो गया। चलो अब घर पहुंच के वो पूछते हैं। These chocolates for my roommates and this is for mine. This is for me. I'm so sorry. I couldn't get much of these, but yeah, these are a lot, so I'll share it with my roommates. Hello guys, good morning. Today it's Wednesday and I'm all set for office. So today is the second day of my office and I'm planning to go tomorrow as well. So I'll try to complete my third day on the first day itself, so that I don't have to go to office on Friday. Let's see if the breakfast is prepared till now. Done with lemon with hot water. Fortunately we are getting hot water in our PG. So, and most importantly, yesterday night it rained heavily here in Hyderabad. I hope it doesn't rain now till the time I reach to office. Let's see. आज शायद बोंडा होगा. I don't know what बोंडा it is for breakfast. Let's see. आज कुछ क्लिप्स बनाऊंगा इसके लिए, ब्रेकफास्ट लंच डिनर सब के लिए। चलो अब चलते हैं नीचे। Now it's 8:18 and I have reached nearby Knowledge Park. The best part of starting early is you don't have to bear the harsh sun. So this is one of the most important reason that I am starting very early. I have reached Knowledge Park. It's 8:20. I feel by 8:30 I'll be in office. And most importantly, the same day in the next week, I'll be heading to my hometown. I'm eagerly waiting for that particular time. Finally, I can visit home in a week. I'm pretty much sure from today the days won't pass. That's what usually happens when you have some plans. You always think as if days are not passing or the time is not passing. Let's see how it goes. यार दूसरी बात, the prices of the tickets are elevated to such an extent you cannot imagine for Hyderabad to Bhubaneswar. So yeah, it will be a little more expensive this time for me. Last time it was really very cheap, so it's like an average. On an average, I am paying an average price. It's not that cheap anymore. or not that affordable, rather I should say. अब सीधा मिलते हैं ऑफिस में. Now it's 8:24 and I have reached my office. I must say, because of this early arrival, I can start early for my PG as well. Today I'm planning to start by 3:30 or max by 4. Let's see how it goes. Today we do have a meeting as well, but most of the meetings are in the first half, so I don't have to worry about the late start for my PG. चलो अब चलते हैं सीधा ऑफिस के अंदर. एंड थैंक यू सो मच सूर्य देव और इंद्र देव भी, जिसकी वजह से आई डोंट हैव टू फेस द हार्श सन. दैट इज़ द नीलोफर कैफे, लेफ्ट वन. चलो अब चलते हैं अंदर. फाइनली रीच्ड ऑफिस. सो आई गॉट A4. Luckily it is open, and surprisingly no one here yet. So this will go to 4th floor. So this is where it mentioned which all floors it will go towards, and that's the current state where exactly we are in. So I'll be all alone in this entire elevator. It is supposed to go to 4th. That's the current one. 1, 2, 3 and 4th. Finally I have reached. This is how it looks from the 4th floor. चलो चलते हैं ऑफिस के अंदर. It is exactly 8:30 AM and I have reached office. चलो ये डस्टबिन में फेंकते हैं. Let me first switch on the ACs. Choppies. This should be enough. Let me switch this on as well. 24. Yeah, good to go. I got some milk as well. In some time I can go and get some water. चलो अब सेटअप करते हैं. P3. Now it's 3:16 and I'm starting PG. Done for the day. I got this lift P3. And once again it's empty. चलो भाई जल्दी जल्दी चलो. Tomorrow one more day I'll have to come to office. That's the ground floor of my particular office. We have a lot of space to sit, relax for a while. Can you observe the clouds? Looks like it's gonna rain very heavily in this particular area. Fortunately, in the area where I stay, I don't see any clouds over there. I stay in that particular area. Before it rains, I think I should be able to reach my PG. Guys, it started raining. I don't know whether you can see this or not. यार इधर तो कुछ भी क्लाउड्स नहीं था. देखो यहाँ भर गया. Now I need to take out my umbrella. चलो निकालता हूँ. बहुत जोर से स्टार्ट हो गया. अच्छा है यार, छाता था, बच गया मैं. I hope it doesn't rain when I start for my hometown. नहीं तो परेशान हो जाऊंगा और कुछ नहीं. यहाँ पे आप देख रहे हो ना, दिस इज़ व्हाट आई वाज स्पीकिंग अबाउट इन प्रायर वीडियोस. लाइक दे डू हैव स्मॉल आउटलेट्स where they sell off the food. They prepare really well though. These are all the things which you can get. Best thing is they prepare it every day and sell it off. तो कुछ भी मतलब रेस्टोरेंट जैसा पुराना फूड नहीं होगा. Stale, I mean to say. There is one more. Can you see this? And in this way you will find a number of other outlets. यहाँ पे और एक. Since I started early today, I could find all of these outlets. I think in next 1 hour, everyone will just shut off and then go back to their home. देखो ये outlet है. Look at the number of people. Check, that's one more. यहाँ पे मोस्टली मील्स वगैरह मिलते होंगे. They are almost about to close this. Again, that's one more. I did not count the number of stalls, but you can imagine in the peak time how many more will be there. Best thing is we have some space in the right where we can park and have our food. And there is one more dum biryani for 120 bucks. Good. Guys, it stopped raining now. Now it's 3:46. I have reached my PG. I'll have something now. That's a Hanuman statue which they are constructing. That will be a very good landmark in near future. I hope they open it soon. So this is just to record that this is how they construct the statues. And the flyover work is going on. I believe it should take at least 5 more years to complete. But that's how the statue looks like. Once it is inaugurated, probably I'll make a small video about it. Chalo, see you. This is the condition, guys. There is barely any space to walk as well. What has to be done? People usually start comparing Hyderabad with Bangalore or some other place. But nowadays, I don't know what the hell this government is doing. This is the condition. Literally, we can see the rods here. जैसा मेरा गांव का कंडीशन है, सीरियसली इट इज़ टेरिबल। Oh, it feels so good. So finally I could find this particular temple where we have some cows. So you can literally feed them with your hands. Best part is I fed this and the other guy. Chalo. Now I'm so sorry. Actually I am out of words now. That's how the temple looks like. I feel so relieved now. चलो अब चलते हैं सीधा पीजी। पता नहीं मैं क्या सोच रहा था at that point of time. I couldn't speak properly. I won't cut the video there. Let it be raw, so that at later point of time when I see the video, I'll remember all the things whatever was going through my mind. Chalo, now it's time for me to go back to hostel. This is one of the worst vehicles in terms of engine. It's a 3-cylinder and they are charging more than 20 lakhs for this vehicle. And yes, most importantly today MG has launched a new car that is a mix of hybrid, in the sense mix of electric and petrol. So yet the details are not revealed entirely. Probably in few days we'll have more details, but it looks very promising. They're saying that you can get a tank range of around 1000, which anyways even I do get it in my car, but that is electric, the future. Let's see what MG has to offer. Can you see the price of petrol? In the left side it is 125, for diesel 103. My goodness, I seriously don't have words looking at the price of petrol and diesel. I'm surprised how people are accepting all of these nonsense. 125 per liter. My goodness. Seriously, it clearly shows that people are earning a lot here. That's why they don't have any problem with the prices. I can never ever imagine that diesel is 103. It is the sad reality of India. Unfortunately, people are not able to understand this. यार कमाने का तो मैं भी कमा रहा हूँ, स्टिल आई डोंट फील इट्स रियली वेरी चीप। यार मुझे दुखता है ये प्राइसेस देख के। People are so happy with everything. I don't know how these guys are managing. In the sense, I was mostly speaking about auto walas. और ये कुछ कर भी क्या सकते हैं, यही बोलेंगे कुछ लोग, keep voting for BJP. That's what happens. कोई बात नहीं। लोग काफ़ी ज़्यादा भक्ति दिखा रहे हैं, बनो भक्त, अच्छी बात है। एंड पे दिस मच फॉर पेट्रोल एंड डीजल। So guys, now it's 8:39 and I am done with my dinner. One of my roommate has headed towards his hometown. Other roommate is sick, so I'll be cautious about my voice now. And I'm ending the video now. I was just editing the video and then found that I have not ended the video properly. And yeah, that's pretty much it. See you in the next one. Bye bye.